Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Nasripan. My matric number B09 2010 356 from the Bachelor of Automotive Technology. So I will present my photorealistic rendering process of 3D CAD Astra battery for 40B20L at batteryco.com. Okay, this is the chapter 1. Background, batteryco.com. Batteryco.com is where is the project has been conducted. Batteryco.com is divided by few segments such as B-Hero, B-Preneur, B-Buddy and Bazaar. So overall, Batteryco.com is a Malaysian leading connected roadside assistance company, okay, with extensive experience and competent in the automobile industry. Okay, for years, Batteryco.com has provided on-demand battery replacement service to over 1 million consumer. Okay, this is the background. Okay, B-Hero, B-Preneur, B-Buddy, and also the Bazaar. Okay, Astra brand by Batteryco.com is consists of car battery and wiper. Okay, but for this project, the main focus is the Astra battery. As we see in the figure is the how much the size and the model of Astra brand battery by Batteryco. Okay. The project background is for conducting an analysis of photorealistic rendering mockup of 3D CAD for all Astra brand battery. The second one is to get know what aspect and criteria are needed to make the 3D mockup of Astra battery results similar to actual Astra battery. Okay, one of problem statement is a long time to do a commercial activity such as photoshoot, and second one is waste of using manpower. The objective is to design and establish a rendering method of mockup 3D CAD for 40B20L Astra battery by Batteryco.com. And second one is to analyze between the rendering of mockup 3D CAD and the actual Astra battery. This project will be using the Rhinoceros 7 and also VRAM software for 3D CAD rendering process. Okay, this is the Rhinoceros 7 interface, and this one is the VRAM interface. Chapter 2. For the project overview, it's consists of 4 stages, which is stage 1 is in identification of software to construct the 3D mockup battery. The second one is to design of 3D mockup battery. Stage 3 to identification of rendering software, and stage 4 is evaluation result of 3D CAD mockup. Okay, this is the project process flow. Okay, this is the method that has been using for now. Okay, this is for the actual photo shoot, which is the battery arrived at Batteryco warehouse, and after that, we need to contact with the person in charge at the warehouse. Next, take the battery to the Batteryco studio and need to set up at the studio. After that, choose the correct gear for photoshoot, and photoshoot been taken. Next is pick the best quality image, and lastly is send to creative design department. Okay, this is the process flow of 3D CAD mockup. It started with the Astra battery arrived at the warehouse. Next, contact with the person in charge and get the dimension of the battery. Okay, after that, it can be proceed to do the battery 3D mockup and render the 3D CAD. And lastly, we get the result of the 3D CAD rendering process. Okay, this is the project team member. It starts with the Astil Aziz Yahya as a head of creative design department, and also that give this task to me, and Shahira Muhammad Noor as an assistant manager creative of design, also helping Astil Azizi to give me a guideline of this project, and myself Muhammad Firdaus Nasripan. Also my colleague is Firdaus Samsudin as a graphic designer, helping of uh, at the battery Astra battery itself, and also Shamila Husna Kamain as a user interface that helping me to get to know in the website or apps how the 3D CAD can be used. Okay. Okay, project Gantt chart. Stage 1, identification of software to construct 3D, started from 20 March 2023 until 23 April 2023. Stage 2, design of 3D mockup, start at 24 April until 30 June 2023. Stage 3, identification of rendering software, start at 1 July 2023 until 31 July 2023. Stage 4, evaluation of result of 3D mockup, start at 1 August until 31 August. Okay, for report writing, it start at 20 March until 31 August. So this is the outcome expect. Okay, one of the outcome expect from this project is helping the company save time, use a human resource, and besides that can help company in website or apps to improve its user interface or the user experience. Okay, this will give many benefit to the company. Okay, this is the chapter 3. Okay, project implementation. This chapter cover the detail in project planning, include identification software, 3D construction, research to find the best rendering software, and mockup evaluation. Okay, this picture is the commercial activity of Astra battery. As we see, this is the picture of actual photo shoot where the battery has been placed at the front and need a lighting setting in the studio. Okay, next one is as we see is the human resource that need to use to conduct the photo shoot. In this picture is consists of 3 people to complete this task. Okay, as we see, this is the end product for the current process of photoshoot. As we see, this is the 40B20L, and this is the end product of from the actual photoshoot result. Okay, as we see, this is from the photoshoot and has been used for the poster for commercial activity. Okay, this is the Rhinoceros 7. Okay, this is the software that has been used to conduct the 3D CAD mockup of Astra pen battery. Okay, as we see, in this figure is the middle is the 3D of mockup of Astra pen battery, and also the interface of Rhinoceros 7 that has been used. Okay, this is the rendering software has been used. Okay, this is the plugin in the Rhinoceros 7. So as we see, from the left is the material that can be choose, and the right one is how the lighting or the shadow has need to be setting to get the best result. Okay, this is also the rendering software that has been considered to use. This is the V-Ray, and one of the tough software to use and need to study more to use this software. Okay, so this is the 3D and mockup product. So as we see, this is for the 40B20L. Okay, we can see the front view, and the isometric view of it. Okay, this is the analysis. One of the important in this project. Okay, I use the method of histogram and use the software of Adobe Photoshop 2023 to do the comparison. Okay, as we see in this figure, this is the histogram, consists of exposure value and also amount of pixel. So from this we can see the graph is in which area. Okay, so this is the analysis for the actual picture of photoshoot. Okay, as we see, okay, in the histogram, the graph is slightly to the left and it's very solid. Okay, as we see, and it's go down after that, and near the middle it's go up and down back and flat and go up and go down and flat. So we can see the graph is more likely to the left and slightly in the middle. Okay, this is for the mockup 3D rendering. Also use the same method, the Adobe Photoshop 2023. Okay, this is the 3D mockup and chosen the area, and as we see the histogram also slightly to the left but not solid as the actual picture. We can see the graph is from the left, it goes up and down and up and down and up and down, and after that it's only straight, and in the middle of it it's go up and it go down, and to the right it's it also have the right also and go up and down. But for the actual picture, it's more to the left and more to the left, and also have slightly at the middle, but didn't have at the right. Okay, chapter 4. So this is the different angle of 3D CAD mockup rendering. This is the picture that has been given to refer and how to project the 3D mockup to do the rendering. As we see, this is the front angle. Okay, slightly left, slightly to the right also, and many, and also have a shadow on it. Okay, from the picture as we see, okay, this is the result that has been conducted. So the battery, Astra battery, okay, we can see the front view, isometric view, and also consists of shadow, and the lastly also consists of shadow. So this result is from referring from the previous picture and need to simulate the angle of it. Okay, for analysis of 3D mockup of Astra battery, okay, as we see, the left is the actual and the right is the 3D mockup. Okay, we can see from the actual, it's full of detailing, full of shadow, full of color, and also how the angle and lighting and many more. But for the right, sorry, this is the 3D mockup Astra battery. Okay, as we see, its lack of detail, its lack of color, its lack of shadow, and also how the angle, and also how it blend with the environment. So we see the difference between of it. Okay, for this project, the first one, the early version is the left side. As we see, the material has been chosen is not correct, and it give a reflex and didn't simulate the real one of the Astra photoshoot. So we see the shadow also, and the detailing didn't not complete, okay, as the actual. So the right side is the latest version of 3D mockup result. So it has been upgraded, more detailing, uh, more focus on more shadow. Also the color is more accurate to simulate the actual Astra band battery. Okay, so this is the chapter 5. Okay, for conclusion, photorealistic rendering is process that have many aspects and criteria involved to achieve the best end result. It starts with define the best solution. Okay, then take a detail for conducting the 3D mockup, and next construct 3D can be done, and after that, finding the best 3D rendering is needed. Okay, so for recommendation, okay, first is study more on using the rendering software, which is know how setting of the software, and also focus more on aspects such as lighting, color detailing, and shadow. Okay, for this recommendation, okay, as for the uh, plan, uh, the first plan is to use the V-Ray, but after using it and after evaluate the result from the software, the end result is not very well and need to study more on it to expert in that software, so to get the best result. For the plan B is using the rendering plugin in the Rhinoceros 7. So for recommendation, after this is need to more study on the rendering software. For this project is the V-Ray, and also need to focus more such as lighting, color detailing, and shadow for more to simulate the actual photo shoot of Astra band battery. Okay, contribution to industry. Okay, the project and result can give benefit to company. Okay, the 3D mockup can be used in commercial activity. Okay, such as poster, flyers. Okay, beside that, from the side of technology and online, it can be used in the company website interface and also in company mobile apps. Okay, that's all for me. Thank you.